Assalamualaikum. This is our mini project and we choose spinach chip as our food design using the 3D food printing. This is our group member. There are 4 people in this group, which is NURULAIN ASHIKIN, NAJWA, SYAHIDAH and Awatif. For introduction, what is 3D food printing? 3D food printing is known as additive manufacturing, which is involved in laying down small layers of material in a sequential order to build a tangible 3-dimensional item. Next, there are some of the methods that used to create 3D food printing, which is extrusion-based printing, binder jetting, and inkjet printing. Besides that, the major benefit of 3D food printing in this project is to modify the shapes, texture, and nutritional profiles of spinach chips. Lastly, in this project, we chose spinach chip as our food design using the 3D food printing.
Now, the advantages of 3D food printing. Firstly, 3D food printer have incredible ability to design food. It is because using cutting-edge technology, food can be manufactured with any taster, flavor, color, or form without going through a mundane step. For example, our product is spinach chips, which is a 3D food printing product that can be readily manufactured by simply specifying the color, flavor, and form that we want. Secondly, 3D food printing can save time and labor. This is due to the fact that it simply requires a predetermined operator. We only need to click the start button to manufacture the product, then cook it before it market, like spinach chip as our product. Lastly, 3D food printing has the potential to decrease food waste, where it can give a greenhouse effect by emitting methane gas during the decomposition process. For example, our spinach chips are created not just from spinach veggies but also from spinach vegetable waste collected from eateries. The spinach is then crushed until it is as fine as puree before being utilized as the main ingredient in the manufacturing of spinach chip. Furthermore, the 3D printing food machine will use all of the ingredients such as wheat without wastage. Why? For the disadvantages of 3D food printing, firstly, 3D food printing has a limited manufacturing size. This is because it is very impossible to produce products that are large in size and length. Therefore, the product we produce is spinach chips that are small in size to make them easier to process. Secondly, it does not finish the step of production. The process to cook and prepare it still requires manpower to do it. For example, after our products are ready for printing, we still need to cook them before they are packaged and marketed to customer. Thirdly, the food produced by 3D food printer may be contaminated with harmful bacteria and fungi. It is possible to shorten the lifespan of a product due to the outbreak. Some food printing products produced from food waste, like our product, may have been infected with bacteria or fungi that are harmful to health, even though they have been properly treated. Finally, 3D food printers are expensive than traditional cooking items such as pans and pots. A food printer costs Rm 1,000 or less, and there is also the potential that is destroyed, where it necessitates us incurring the cost of repairing it or purchasing a new one.
It is believed that future food, artificial or biofiscal food products are cheaper than conventional meat, milk, and egg derived from animals, and it will be potentially healthier compared to animal products. With the technology, it is changing how the food industry operates, such as 3D food printing that has become more of a reality now. The development of 3D printing technology offering more customization to better adapt to a diet diversity with addition of endless possibility, including eliminating implications such as eliminating malnutrition, food scarcity improvement, creating new value, and many more. So there are several potential of 3D food printing. The first one is it can customize food design. This food printer service provide a better platform for those experimenting with the form and flavor of the food product to achieve intricate and marvelous food design. And also, food printer can empower human ability to create and develop the outrages of a new recipe and dishes that produce more creative cooking, time-consuming, delicious, and healthier. Second, it can personalize and digitize nutrition information. 3D food printer can receive information about our health and use it to produce food accordingly. In other words, 3D food printing can enable precise requirement of people's diet by digitizing and personalizing the nutrition and energy specification of a person based on one physical and nutritious status. The third one is it can broadening the source of food material. It can expand the source of food material availability. As you know, non-traditional food material like high fiber, plant-based material, animal-based product, as well as insect can be used to develop a variety of food. And lastly, the potential of 3D food printing is to create new value chain for the future food. This is because 3D food printing can alter and modify or even broaden existing food value chains where it can help to create and develop a new product that has potential to penetrate marketplace. With this variety kind of different food, shape, flavor, and texture to experiment with significantly, it can show that there are truly no limit to what 3D food printing can offer to the food industry for a better future.
In this section, we choose spinach chip as our food product. This is because Malaysia loves to eat spinach chips, and the demand by the customer towards spinach chips increasing, and also the increase of spinach chips entrepreneur in Malaysia. There are two types of spinach chips in the existing market, which is spinach chip packed in the bottle and fried spinach chips. So the problem with this spinach chip in the existing market is it is not really healthy since it's oily due to the frying process, and also it causes food waste because only spinach leaf will be used to create the spinach chips. We got an idea to create our spinach chips using the 3D food printing because it will solve most of the problem, which is it will be baked rather than fried the oil, and the result is less food waste since the 3D food spinach chips will use the whole spinach and also leftover spinach.
So for the design for spinach chips, we have created two designs for the spinach chips, which is the fun shape design and also the elegant design. So first, for the fun shape design, it is specially made for kids, and as you can see in the picture, some of the shape is moon, star, trees, and also love. So these various fun shape will actually help the kids to be more interested to try the spinach chips. And second, for the elegant design, it is specially made for those customers who valued aesthetic looks on their food, and the design is made based on flowery element, and it will be a great choice to be served to the guests during any special event or festive, because it is not only a beautiful snacks but it is also a healthy option of snacks. So next, the ingredients. There are 7 ingredients needed to create these spinach chips. The first is spinach, sugar, salt, pepper, oil, water, and some flour. So there is 5 steps to create these 3D printing spinach chips, and the first step will be spinach preparation.
in this spinach preparation, the spinach will be cleaned and cut into smaller pieces so it will be easier to be mashed. And the second step is spinach mash. So in this step, spinach will be mashed and mixed with some flour and water until it has a paste-like texture. And this paste-like texture is really important because if it is too slurry, then it will be hard for the 3D printing machine to shape the design. The third step is seasoning the spinach paste. So in this step, the spinach paste will be seasoned with some salt, sugar and pepper, and this will help to enhance the flavor of the spinach paste. And the fourth step is 3D printing machine. So after the spinach paste is seasoned, it will next fill into the tube of the 3D printing machine, and now it is ready to be shaped. And the last step is bake. So after the desired shape has been created, the spinach paste will be baked, and after it is baked, now it is ready to be served as spinach chips.
In conclusion, with this technology, manpower can be saved and even easier to control by simply pressing the start button. This technology may deserve more attention in Malaysia because it has its own economic potential. In addition, 3D food printing may help to achieve sustainable development goal to zero hunger by providing enough nutritious food for everyone. As a result, it will deliver advantages while also reducing food waste.
That's all from us. Thank you.